everybody, welcome back. It is a Vlogmas day number 1. I'm excited and I cannot believe that it's December already and that it's soon going to be 2023. That is crazy. My little Bella is pregnant right now. She is getting big. You guys, she's huge. I mean, she's a tiny little peanut, getting a little belly on her. She is due right after Christmas, like 3 days after Christmas she is due. We're actually gonna take her to the vet to get an ultrasound done to see how many babies she has. So when she's delivering, I know. So if they say there's 3 babies, then when 3 babies come out, I know she's done. I mean, we'll still be keeping an eye on her, but yeah, I just want to see how many there is so then I'm kind of prepared for it, because I don't want anything to happen to my little girl. She needs a bath too. I need to give her a bath. But today is a Vlogmas day number 1. We are going to decorate the tree and decorate the house. It's kind of late, so yes, baby girl. It's kind of late, but I was gonna start the vlog earlier, but I got busy. And I'm gonna do a couple things a little different this year. I'm going to kind of like pick what I'm doing that day and concentrate my vlogs on that instead of just vlogging from the second I wake up to the second I go to bed, just so I have time to edit the video and get the video up. So yeah. So today's vlog is going to be us decorating the house and decorating the tree. Our tree is already up. The kids wanted to put it up, so it's up. It just needs to be fanned out and then decorated and all of that. So yeah, if you're new here, hi, I'm Billy. And we do a Vlogmas over here on this channel, and I also do 12 days of giveaway. So 12 random days in December, or leading up until Christmas, I will do a giveaway. And one of the giveaways this year, you guys, I am super excited about. I thought about it and I'm like, we gotta do it. So they're all great giveaways, but there's one that I'm like super excited about. One thing that I'm doing differently this year with the giveaways is I'm only shipping out 1 day a week. So every Wednesday, I will be shipping out the giveaways. So if you win on Thursday, you're gonna have to wait all the way until the next Wednesday for me to ship out your packages. And that just makes my life a little bit easier. So then I have like 1 day of the week that is like designated to shipping out packages. So then I am not getting behind. It will just make more sense for me than running to the post office every couple days and having to ship out packages. It gets to be too much for me. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm excited. So like I said, tonight we're going to decorate the tree and decorate the house. And I'm making this new TikTok dinner thing for supper. I'm kind of excited about it. I think it's gonna be really good. And I think the kids are really gonna like it. It's like these pizza bites. So yeah, I'm excited about it. And I need to go feed the dogs because little Bella's hungry. I think I just felt a puppy move. Bella, is that your baby moving? Oh, I think that's a baby moving. Oh, I'm so curious to see how many puppies she's gonna have. She goes in, I think in like a week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that. I can't really remember. She goes into the vet to get an ultrasound done to see how many puppies she's gonna have, because I want to be prepared for it. We should probably get started because I'm sure the kids are hungry. I know the dogs are hungry, and I want to get this house decorated before it gets too late, and I need to get this video up too. So let's get started. You guys are propped up on some marinara sauce. So we're gonna make supper. What it is some Hawaiian buns. You cut a slit on the top, and then you put some pepperoni in there and some mozzarella cheese. I'm just using string cheese. And then you put this butter stuff over the top, and then you bake it, and then you pull it apart and you dip it in the marinara sauce. So let's do this now for supper, and then after supper we will start decorating.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together, all the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey. Say. Walking around, you and me. The Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. We're falling in love. No, it's the time of the year when something's in store for us.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled
Are you sure that's
once
what you're supposed to be doing with
more,
that?
and then time almost came to
Is that what you wanted to do?
everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
What's on your head?
You're back.
Reindeer, like two tiny reindeer. Wouldn't that be funny? During Christmas, we should watch the Christmas video.
Hey Antonio, this is yours. I think Antonio, that's yours.
Going full teaching stuff.
Look at him. He is in it. He is in it to win it. Leo?
Excuse me, I'm gonna rotate this.
Leo?
Nico, you can
No.
just drop tap
No.
these.
Antonio,
Can I roll
Leo.
some dogs together?
There. Hey mom, you can I have draw something? them my outfit? I'm holding that one. You look at this.
Nico, or Antonio, here's another one of yours.
Holy, that's like the Mama, I'm a witch that owns you guys.
And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas.
Okay, so we are done with the tree. This is what it's looking like. We don't have a star yet. We gotta get one. But we're gonna watch a movie and I'm going to clean all of this mess up. Because there's a big mess. What are you doing, hun? Why is your feet up like that?
Because we're too poor for a footrest.
Too poor for a footrest. Is that comfortable?
Not so much.
I would say
I'm draining all the fluid out of my ankles.
It's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun.
okay, so we got the tree done, but we still need to get a star or an angel for the tree. It's missing a bunch of red right there. We ran out. So, and then this tree skirt is a little too small. We need to get something a little bit bigger. We still have all of this stuff to put up. I just don't know where to put it. And then I have to figure out the garland. I will do that a different day because it's getting late. There's Leo. Leo. Yeah. And then we do have like the Christmas pillows out. And then Antonio and I, we did do this. So that's looking nice, I guess. But yeah, there's still some that we have to do, right? Mm-hmm. But I'm gonna end the vlog here and we will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye.
Bye.